everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangeeta, and in today's video I am going to create this clean girl makeup. I know this trend is old now, but it is still a trend, and we guys absolutely love minimal clean makeup. And yeah, so we are going to create this, and if you are interested, keep on watching. And I'm going to start with my brows first. Clean girl makeup ka most important clean brows. So for that I'm gonna use this brow product. Just spray some water. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill my brows with a brow pencil. This is the one I'm using. This is the Chamasi brow pencil. So ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. इसमें दो साइड है. एक साइड में लार्जर एरिया के लिए है, और दिस वन इज़ वेरी प्रिसाइज दिस साइड. इससे फ्रंट वाला पार्ट जो है वो बहुत इजीली हो जाता है. आई एम गोना यूज दिस साइड. So the brows are perfectly done. Now it's time for our base. So I'm going to use this hydrating primer. This is by the brand Swiss Beauty. Again, this is one of my favorite, you guys know. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm going to apply using my finger. You can use a brush. I like to use my finger. Just look at the glow. It is the most glowiest product I have. काफ़ी अच्छा ग्लो देता है और काफ़ी healthy looking skin के लिए you can definitely check this out. I'm gonna use this color corrector because I have some dark circles and pigmentation. So I'm gonna use this corrector. This orange shade. If you don't have any pigmentation, you can skip this step. I'm gonna apply a little bit of orange color corrector under my eye. काफ़ी ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल हो गए हैं recently due to lack of sleep. So we are gonna hide that. लाइफ तो परफेक्ट नहीं हो सकता है, एटलीस्ट हम स्किन को तो परफेक्ट बना सकते हैं यूजिंग सम कलर करेक्टर. This is what happens when you don't sleep properly. So girls sleep properly. Today I'm gonna skip my foundation. I'm gonna go with this one. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face, under my eyes and face as well. Not too much, because ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा कवरेज अच्छे से दे देता है. आई मीन कम अमाउंट में इसका कवरेज काफ़ी अच्छा है. तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज. I'm gonna quickly set my face using this K Beauty loose powder, and I have the shade Almond. I'm not gonna set my entire face, only my under eye, ताकि creasing ना हो. So it's time to add some definition. So I'm gonna use this palette. This is the PAC face palette, and I'm gonna use this bronzer to give some definition. Wow, it's pigmented. Oh my god, this is very pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly apply this blush. This is the Swiss Beauty powder blush in the shade Just Rose. On my apples and temple. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of highlighter, बहुत कम like on the high points to get that shiny cheeks. So for lips, I'm gonna only apply this Inglot lip oil. So I'm gonna set everything together using this makeup fixer. Okay, so this is my take on clean girl makeup. I think it turned out pretty good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And all the product links are mentioned in the caption. Make sure to check them out before leaving. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked in the caption. So bye bye. See you next time.